And at bat, it's the big O, baby. What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel, where our main focus and goal is to make money in the stock market. And what we came to discuss here, ladies and gentlemen, is QUBT as well as QBTS. As you all know, we do expect a end of the year sell-off / correction due to a lot of retail investors and whales tend to sell portion of their positions to lock in gains before the end of the year, and some people do it just for tax reasons only. So with that being said, this is fully expected, nothing to panic about, ladies and gentlemen, and today is the last day of the year, which means, is this quantum computing correction about to end, or are we just getting started? Stick around, guys. I'm going to give you my expectations, what to expect here for the sector here this upcoming month. Also, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted MLGO for the entry price of $3.60, with that price target being $3.90 plus. This was alerted yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. And if we take a brief look and just check out the price action on MLGO, as you guys can see here, it hit a high in today's pre-market trading of $7.80. That is over 100% in gain from our $3.60 alert entry. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and let the gains begin. Not only that, you will be able to engage and share ideas with the entire Making Easy Money trading community. Also, when you first get over here, check out the MEM testimonial section, so you will see the type of gains that the Making Easy Money members are making thanks to these accurate in-house analyst alerts. Here's the one that just happened here today. Nice 30% with a lucky pullout right at the top. Thanks, Obi. Anytime, guys. And these testimonials go on and on. So with that being said, get over here immediately. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is QUBT. If you're currently holding either of the two, you know what to do. Comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. Now, today's retracement / correction is something that we expect. A early warning signal that I don't want us to break below, because we may see a massive sell-off from there, is that 1381. All right, we are a ways from that, but the good news about this all, ladies and gentlemen, today is the last day of the year. All right, the end of the year sell-off ends today. All right, we will have more insight on that here by the end of the week, whether this is a full-fledged sell-off in the sector or if this is just the end of the year pullback, which I believe. But seeing as though that we're still trading in between that range here of that 622, which we didn't drop below here today, we went to that 1622. Sorry about that. We're still trading in between the range of that 1622 and that 1946. Okay, we didn't break that here on our high, but with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're still in that consolidating state that we haven't broken out of. Now, that high coming off of Friday, that 2175, if we take a brief look and check out those interval stats here really quickly, that's only a 15% pullback. All right, nothing to panic about. Today's price action is showing huge outflow activity on the small scale, which represents retail investor activity, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we're seeing this pullback. We're seeing a lot of retailers and whales, for that matter, here on the medium scale, taking in, basically locking in gains here before the year is over with. Another one, if we go back and check out QBTS, the exact same thing. All right. That is why I am coming to you guys, letting you know, do not panic. Okay. If we go to the short sell analysis from yesterday, We do see a aggressive short selling ratio, again with QUBT as well. Both are pretty darn similar. The big difference is, of course, the volume stretch, but I do feel as though that the month of January is going to be, and I repeat, I have said this before, is going to be one of the hottest months that we have seen here in the quantum computing space. In fact, I do feel as though that this space may actually surpass AI's hottest month, with over 46% in gain in the sector alone in just 1 month. With that being said, I do feel as though that the quantum computing space is going to dwarf that for sure. If we take a brief look and just check out the related stocks and check out quantum computing, it's not as many in this category as it is in the AI sector, which means we should actually see we actually should see the sector as a whole actually make a much wider return than the AI due to it's a huge amount of stocks that is currently listed in the AI sector. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, QUBT, I do feel as though that this thing stands a very great chance here in the month of January to actually cross those $24 levels. For anyone that is currently looking at QUBT, this is the perfect buy zone. Okay, and if we go to QBTS, do feel as though in the month of January this is also going to see a breakout month, levels as high as $16. I do foresee at least 100% in gain from what we see here today for QBTS. This is also in a great buying position. Just think about it, ladies and gentlemen, we have actually broken out of our consecutive lower low. As you guys can see here, back on Friday, the low was 911. We saw another low here at 840 here on Monday, and here today's low is 859. That is a very great sign, breaking out that bearish consecutive low, but we are still battling to break the high from yesterday, which I don't believe is going to be achieved unless we see a market turnaround from here. But like I warned everyone out there, expect to see a market pullback as a whole here at the end of the year. So I hope you guys didn't panic, and today you actually take advantage, because I do expect for the markets to actually perform pretty darn well here, kicking off the year. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't already, can you please smash that like button? It really does help the channel grow. Also, if you're a HOLO shareholder, don't worry, I will be dropping a update video on HOLO and RGTI shortly after this video. So if you plan on checking out that, can you please do me a huge favor and comment "will be there" here in this comment section. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you. Don't forget to consider joining our Discord. The sign up link is in the description below.